Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by opening settings and navigating straight to display or personalization. This is where Android centralizes theme controls. Once there, locate theme, dark mode, or wallpaper and style. Different manufacturers use different labels. Make sure you're on the main device account and not a restricted profile so changes apply system-wide. If prompted, tap Advanced or More display settings to reveal hidden theme options. You're now positioned to pick system theme, schedule dark mode, or apply a custom wallpaper and accent color. Now adjust precise theme settings. Tap System, Light, or Dark to set the global appearance, because apps that follow system settings will switch automatically. Once done, make sure to schedule dark mode if you want it to change by time or sunset. This reduces eye strain in low light. You can also tweak accent color, icon shapes, and fonts where supported. These small changes alter UI contrast and readability. If you want app-specific overrides, open each app's appearance settings to ensure consistency. Finish by applying changes and closing or restarting apps so they refresh with the new theme. If icons or wallpaper don't update, clear the launcher cache in Apps and Notifications, then reopen the home screen. This resolves most display glitches. If problems persist, make sure your system is up to date and perform a device restart to reinitialize theme services. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the theme setting off and back on after a restart to force a full UI redraw and resolve stubborn inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.